Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Izzuddin bin Ibrahim from section 1. So I will start my presentation with the site background of the project. My site is site C that was located at Pantai Ceruk Pala, Kuantan, Pahang. From this site plan, we can see that the wind direction come from the northeast of the site, which coming from the sea. The best view at the site is at the east part, which facing toward the beach. Meanwhile, there are jungles at the west part of the site. From the site plan also, we can see the road that become the main circulation to the building from Innocent Research Center. Next, moving on to the concept. The concept of this building is connectivity. This concept is to create a connection between three separate parts of the building and also connecting the building with the shape of the site. The design started with the axis of the wind and also the circulation axis. Then three different spaces, which are public, semi and private space, are located on the site following the axis. The public and private space then separated a bit for the privacy purpose. The public space then are enlarged because it will consist of many spaces in it. The next step is changing these three spaces into geometrical form by considering the site contexts such as wind and sun-based aspects. The design continues by dividing the public space into two parts and adding a new geometrical shape between it with big opening to enhance the view. The last step is making a pathway between the public with semi and private space to create a connection between them. So finally, the final shape was obtained with the shape that can enhance the wind amount into the building and also maximizing the view toward the beach. These are the pictures of the conceptual model showing the progress of the design process. Next, moving on to the zoning and space planning. This building was separated into three main spaces, which are public, semi and private space. The public space consists of lobby, exhibition, lecture room, outside platform, cafe, toilet and also musalla. For the semi-private space, it consists of laboratory 2, which is for rehabilitation turtle tank, and also the hatchery area outside the building for the turtle to lay their eggs. And lastly, for the private space, it consists of laboratory 1 at the ground floor and also office and research area at the first floor that located at the middle part of the building. The private space can be accessed only by the staff that working at the center. So this is the finalized floor plan. So from the lobby, the user will enter the lobby first before they can go into the exhibition area in front of it. At the right side of the building, it consists of public space, which are the outside platform, lecture room, cafe, toilet and musalla. Meanwhile, at the left side of the building, it consists of semi and private space, which are laboratory 1 and laboratory 2, which can be accessed by walking through the pathway. There are also pathways provided to access the hatchery area outside the building. So this is the first floor that consists of office and research area that can be accessed by walking through the stair that located next to the lobby. So this is the northeast elevation, northwest elevation and also the section XX of the building. So from this elevation, we can see the connection between the three separate parts of the building, which are connected by the pathway in between them. This is the southeast elevation, southwest elevation and also the section YY of the building. For the construction, this building use concrete post and beam structural system. The foundation that are used is deep foundation, which is friction piling. Deep foundation are used because of the soil condition, which is not so stable and don't have enough bearing capacity as the site is at the beach area. For the flooring, this building use timber flooring finishes and also single roof tie for the roof finishes. So this is some perspective drawing of the building. The first is the exterior view from the beach. The second is the view in the laboratory 2, which consists of the turtle rehabilitation tank. and also the view in the office that are located at the first floor of the building. Next, we move to the lighting design strategies for the cafe and also exhibition area at this Theta Rehabilitation Center. So at the cafe, I use two types of lighting, which are integrated and also the applied lighting. For the integrated type, I use the recessed lighting located at the middle part of the cafe ceiling that also can be functioned as the general lighting for the cafe. Meanwhile, for the applied type, I use the suspended lighting to illuminate the left side dinner table and also the preparation area at the right side of the cafe. The sufficient illumination for this cafe is 200 lux, which is the most appropriate illumination for a cafe. The warm color of the lighting create the ambience of relaxing and also comfortable. For the energy efficiency, the wide and big opening of the cafe window enable the daylight get into the cafe, which lead to the less use of the artificial light during the daytime. The lighting use also the LED lighting and low voltage lighting, which can save the use of electricity. And for the exhibition area, I also use the integrated and applied lighting. The integrated type that I use are concealed and suspended lighting, and for the applied, I use the direct mounted lighting at the wall and also at the ceiling. The ceiling mounted lighting and suspended lighting are used to focus and emphasize on the turtle aquarium below it. Meanwhile, the wall mounted lighting are used to focus on the information panels on the wall. This brings the mood of excitement and curiosity for the visitors to see what the lights are focused on. The illumination level for this exhibition area is 500 to 750 lux. This space also use LED lighting for energy efficiency to minimize the use of electricity. These are some pictures of the mock-up model that I have made. These are some pictures of the final model of the Theta Rehabilitation Center. And this is the structural model of the building that use the post and beam structural system to support the load. That's all from me. Thank you.